Hi, I'm Chris Tusher from Jerry Seiner Christopher Nissan down here in North Salt Lake, and I am sitting in the back of a Nissan 2013 Nissan Sentra. As you can see, I have a ton of legroom back here because it has more legroom than the Mercedes E-Class, which just gives you a complete ton of legroom. As you can see, it also has a beautiful body style. I mean, it's the most innovative Sentra ever. It's just beautiful. It gives you 39 miles to the gallon on the highway, which is just an amazing for your morning commute, as well as in the city. You get an average of 30 miles to the gallon. It's just amazing fuel efficient vehicle, as well as a fun little sporty vehicle. As you can see on here on the steering wheel, we have the cruise control, as well as the Bluetooth, the volume controls, and your dashboard controls as well. As we look down here, this comes with 3 driver's modes. One being Eco, which gives you better fuel efficiency, and it just gives you a nice, easy, fun ride. And for all those people who just love to have a little bit extra fun, with the Sport mode, you're going to be able to get a little bit more acceleration, a little bit more power, and have a lot more fun. This is just an amazing vehicle. We have a ton of storage space in it. It gets better storage space than some mid-size sedans. That is just amazing. In a little sedan like this, you're just going to get amazing results and everything that you need. Really, that is the Nissan Sentra. Come on down here. I'm Chris Tusher. Come and I'll get you one of these today.